Hello dear students, welcome to the online video lecture series of your SYBSc Microbiology course MB221, that is Bacterial Genetics. In the previous video we discussed about the proof of DNA that work or that act as a genetic material, or the DNA is a transforming principle. Also RNA is also act as a genetic material for some of the viruses, some of the bacteriophage, some of the plant virus. So there are evidences and experiments that are performed by the various group of scientists and proves their particular opinion. Now in this lecture we will see about genetic code and its properties. So what do you mean by gene? First of all, what do you mean by gene? Gene is nothing but it is a particular segment, it is particular fragment, it is particular stage of DNA that not only transfers the character, that is nothing but inheritance, it also expresses the character is known as gene. So the definition of gene is very simple. Gene is nothing but the particular segment, fragment of DNA that inherits and expresses. Bas, this is the definition, simple definition of gene. Now today we have to discuss about genetic code. So what do you mean by genetic code? A genetic code is nothing but the dictionary that corresponds with the sequence of nucleotide and sequence of amino acids. So it is nothing but it is like phone dictionary. You know the directory of the call logs or the contacts in which you have a particular code, like if you सर्च अबाउट पुणे लैंडलाइन, सो आपको अगर पुणे कम्युनिकेट करना है तो लैंडलाइन का जो कोड है तो इट इज़ लाइक 022. ओके, देन इफ़ यू हैव टू कॉन्टैक्ट इन द नासिक सिटी देन you have a different code 0253. You have to start with the 0253 and rather than the numbers. So likewise 0253 is code for Nasik. Also like pin code कोपरगांव का पिन कोड अभी 423601 ये है, तो इट डेफिनेटली स्पेसिफाई द प्लेस कोपरगांव. सो मतलब इट इज़ लाइक डायरेक्टरी विच इज़ द सीक्वेंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स and the sequence of amino acid which comprises the genetic code. Genetic code is a set of rules by which information encoded in genetic material DNA on RNA sequence is translated into proteins by living cells. जो efforts है to understand how proteins encoded, that first studied by or postulated by George Gamow. Okay, it is a physicist that perform the experiment and sets of 3 base must be employed to encode the 20 standard amino acids. सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अमीनो एसिड क्या होते हैं. अमीनो एसिड दे आर लाइक अ मटेरियल और दे आर द बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. आप सबको पता है कि प्रोटीन किससे बनते हैं, तो अमीनो एसिड से बनते हैं. लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ अमीनो एसिड्स, polypeptide, linear peptide that make up the protein. So it is very simple. Basic thing is that आप सबको जो अपने स्टैंडर्ड अमीनो एसिड्स हैं, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड अमीनो एसिड्स है, वो पता होनी चाहिए. Like there are 20 standard amino acids. They are classified on the basis of R group, that is the functional group. After that, researchers work on the various research studies and found out the another standard amino acids. 21 is selenocysteine and 22 is pyrrolysine. So these are the 2 standard amino acids that are invented and added into the list of 20 standard amino acids. So now there are 22 standard amino acids. So that makes up particular protein. Okay, so discovery is to understand how proteins encoded began after the structure of DNA was discovered by James and Francis Crick. George Gamow postulated that a 3-letter code अभी हमने वैसे भी पढ़ा था कि, और मैंने अभी बोला आपको कि एक पर्टिकुलर कोड जो है एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस, एक पर्टिकुलर नाम, एक पर्टिकुलर जगह, एक पर्टिकुलर कॉल लॉग, ऐसा कुछ तो भी एनकोड करता है। ठीक है, सिंपल है। जैसे कोपरगांव, अभी आप सब लोग कोपरगांव के एरिया के हैं, तो 423601 अगर आप ये पिन कोड डालते हो तो आपका जो भी पार्सल है या जो भी मटेरियल है वो कोपरगांव में आ जाएगा। बिकॉज 423601 दैट एनकोड्स फॉर द कोपरगांव। वैसे ही जो 3 बेसेस है अमीनो एसिड के, वो कुछ तो भी कोड करेंगे। 3 बेसेस ऑफ कोडॉन particularly, that is makeup of nucleotides that helps to encode some of the proteins or the 20 standard amino acids that is used by the living cells to build proteins. Okay, so next, introduction of genetic code. The letters A, G, T and C are corresponding to the nucleotides found in DNA. They are organized into codons. We all know, or we discuss in our previous videos or in our previous online lectures, in which when we study about DNA composition or the components of DNA, in that there is nitrogen bases or the nucleotides is a main component of the DNA, and that nucleotides is a composition of nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate backbone, in which A, G, T and C, these are the nitrogen bases. There are having 2 types like purines and pyrimidines. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are thymine, cytosine and uracil. Uracil generally present in the RNA instead of thymine. Okay, so these are the letters A, G, T and C that corresponds to nucleotides that found in DNA, and they are organized into the codons. So codons किन चीज़ों से बनने वाले हैं? These are the letters, that is nothing but the nucleotides. जो भी अपने codons है वो nucleotides से बनने वाले, और generally A, G, T, C and U, इन 5 बेसिस से आपके कोडॉन्स बनने वाले। और ये 5 कोडॉन्स जब कंप्राइज करेंगे, और वो कंप्राइज करके 20 स्टैंडर्ड अमीनो एसिड जो है उनको कोड करेंगे। द कलेक्शन ऑफ कोडॉन इज कॉल्ड एज जेनेटिक कोड। कलेक्शन ऑफ कोडॉन्स A, G, T, अगर इनको हमने कलेक्ट किया एक जगह पे तो ये बन गए कोडॉन्स, और इसी को हम कहेंगे जेनेटिक कोड। फॉर 20 अमीनो एसिड्स देयर शुड बी 20 कोडॉन्स। अगर 20 अमीनो एसिड्स है तो हमारे पास 20 कोडॉन्स होने चाहिए। ईच कोडॉन शुड हैव 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स टू इम्पार्ट स्पेसिफिसिटी टू ईच ऑफ द अमीनो एसिड फॉर स्पेसिफिक कोडॉन। हर कोडॉन के लिए हमारे पास 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड के बेसिस होने चाहिए। ठीक है, सो 1 न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज अ 4 कॉम्बिनेशन, 2 न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज ऑफ 16 कॉम्बिनेशंस, 3 nucleotide is equal to 64 combinations most suited for 20 amino acids. 3 nucleotide means what? A, G, T. These are the 3 nucleotides. उनका combination कितना हो गया? 40 combinations, and which is most suited for 20 amino acids. Okay, so these are the genetic code which is coded by the nucleotide and that specify the 20 amino acids. So first of all, what do you mean by the genetic codes? Here you can see with the help of figure, in which ATG, these are the 3 base which code for this particular yellow amino acid. CTA, these are the another nucleotides or another codon that code for pink color XYZ. This suppose yellow color जो है ये valine को कोड कर रहा है, pink color जो है ये सिस्टीन को कोड कर रहा है, GGC ये कोड कर रहा है मिथ्योनिन को। मतलब 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड की बेसेस, 3 बेसेस कोड फॉर 1 अमीनो एसिड। सो दिस इज पर्टिकुलर जेनेटिक कोड फिगर। Genetic code can be expressed in a simple table with 64 entries. 64 entries Q because 1 combination is equal to 4 nucleotides. 2 combination is equal to 16 nucleotides, 3 combination is equal to 64 nucleotides. So this is 3 combination because we are having the characteristics of genetic code, in which first characteristic is the genetic code is a triplet code, that is the 4 kinds of nucleotides in which 3 of them use to code for particular amino acids. So here you can see that the combinations of codons that use to study the 64 entries and 20 standard amino acids. So you have homework in which you have to write down all the standard amino acids with their structure and with their code names. Like phenylalanine is introduced as PHE, okay, so leucine LEU, isoleucine ILE. So these are the examples of some of the amino acids of standard amino acids. And also you have to classify the amino acids on the basis of the functional group. I just give you a hint of amino acids classification, that they must be classified into the 3 groups, like hydrophobic non-polar amino acids, second one is polar but uncharged, and third one is charged, in which they are again divided into the positively charged amino acid and negatively charged amino acid. So I have given already the hint to classify the amino acid. Now your work is to classify the standard amino acids on the basis of their functional group, and not only the classification, but you have to write down with their structure and with some of their acronyms. Okay, so till this, study the basic ideas of genetic code, and first of all go through the amino acid, because the main role is of amino acid and nucleotides. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So till then, study for the amino acids.